Alright, as you can see, this Kindle has a broken glass or digitizer. So we're going to show you how to replace that. Alright, that's pretty much broken. I dropped it accidentally and that's what happened. So we're going to replace that. Okay, this is a Kindle, I believe 5th generation if I'm right. Okay. Alright. First thing you do is you use this to kind of like blow dry around it so you can soften the glue that's behind this glass and you can remove it. So let's do that. This one will do the trick. Go around with the help of this, probably. At this point it could help. It's probably gonna splinter at this point because see how that's already cracked anyway. Looks so big. You just go around. While going around. Now this one is quite a mess. It's cracked. There. We're removing it. Ooh. This guy blew. There. And that's the digitizer. There's some a little bit there, a little bit here. See how all that thing is cracked up? This needs to be replaced. It's a mess. Okay. So there's our new digitizer. Ordered it from eBay. Take it out. Hold this one.
Okay.
It's all wrapped up really securely and carefully. Here we go. Ooh. Yeah. There. See? That goes in there. This goes in there. I'm gonna pry this. Open. Go around. That one. There you go. Some of it, at least. That's open. Now we gotta go and get this side. There. The reason for that is we can't reach this part, which is that one, unless we open this part too. So that's what we're doing right now. Almost all the way. You just kind of like, see, work your way around, and we did. Okay. What we need to remove is this. That kind of just sticks on there, I believe. See, we peel that off and it sticks. There, see? Pulls out. There. This one. Get it?
Yep.
There. Hold on. This is the new one. Put that here. Look, we gotta insert it in there, see? Here, in the slot. Gotta go in there. You have to push that in there, but you gotta go one side at a time. One, and then here, two. One. There, we finally got it, but see how tight that is? That's crazy, man. Okay. All right, now. That is in there now. There. So it needs to go in there, and we did. That little belt thingy needs to go inside. This. In there. Okay, so we did. Okay, so we just put this back now, and it clicks in, snaps back in. See? Oh wait. Oh yeah, snap back in there. There. Okay. Now this one, however,
Wow.
and then now this goes down.
Wow, it's like a new Kindle.
It should be. snapped in.